Okay, hello everyone. Today on how to make pancakes with me. This is the pancake mix. You got to make the mix. Get 2 eggs, and then you fill the pot up to 2 cups. No, wait, hang on. Okay, yes, no. So you get 1 and a half cups of milk. Put the milk in there. Put the eggs in there with the milk. Put the flour. That's the side. Do not use the flour. You have to get the sugar and get two tablespoons of sugar. Put it in there. Then mix it up. Then you put this in there. Then you get this, and you get 2 cups of this, and slowly put it into here and mix it. See, I did it backwards. I put the flour in already. You can see the flour. And then I put the thing in. And if you do it that way, you just have to take freaking ages with the spoon, being very delicate to stir. Otherwise you get clumpy clumps of flour in there. There's a little bit in there, but they are little bits. So that's why you put the liquid in here first and slowly put the flour in, because that is easier to do than slowly putting the liquid into the flour. And then join me for part 2, where I will put the thing in the pan and make it a pancake. Bon appetit. I almost forgot part 2 because I'm very bad. So you mix the thing very good. I did not mix the thing very good. And then you make it the pancake. Voila, a bon appetit. Make sure you use the butter because it makes it extra crispy. Like you see the edges? They are very crispy and delicious. That is what the butter does. You gotta put the butter in the pan, only a little bit, about that much butter. It's delicious.